So now we will see how to draw the pie chart. Okay, fine. So pie chart, to draw the pie chart we need to select first, we select the pie chart type in the mark cell, and then again we are actually working on profit and category. Okay, there one logic is actually available in the visualization subject. Okay, one rules are there. If you have if you actually have a smaller number of actually unique values in your dimension field, then you should go for the pi. Otherwise, pi is not the exact chart for if the dimension have more than 8 or 10 unique values. Okay, so in category field I have only 3 values, so I will go for the pie chart. Here I can see only 3 values. Okay, sorry, don't I'm not like that. I'm selecting again text. Okay, if uh, I can see only 3 values are available in the category. I am just selecting the category dimension field for to draw the pie chart. So now I am again selecting the pie chart type, and I'm dragging the profit. Here I can see color self, site self, label self, detail self, tooltip self, angle self. Okay, so first we will learn about the color and the angle. Okay, just we are going to draw the angle, and angle will depend on the profit. Okay, so that is why we are dragging the profit in the angle field, and we need to show the different color for different category. So I am dragging the category in the color cell. So now I can see furniture is blue, office supply is orange, and technology is red. So now the three category is indicating with three different color. We also have the option to change the size. We are going, so now it is changed. So it is the pie chart. Okay, so you can see the tooltip also. The tooltip can be managed from here, so you can change anything here. Suppose you are saying category, so you don't want to show the category, you need to show the category 1, and in case of the profit you need to show the profit 1. So you have the option. So look, the actually tooltip has changed. So now this is the pie chart, and I think you are very much clear how to draw on pie chart. If you have any question, then you can please send me a text or comment in my next video. In next I will just try to draw the donut chart. Okay, so now to draw the donut chart we need to actually create a calculated field name. You can give any name, like I am giving a dummy. Okay, I'm giving a dummy. Oh, sorry, I need to place a fair value, it is 0. Okay, so I'm just dragging the name dummy field in the row self, again the dummy field in the row self. Okay, so look how the two different pies are showing, and for the two different pie in the mark cell, two different section has been created. So things you can understand. So now what I will do, it is the first pie and it is the second pie. So now what I will do, I will remove the category from the second pie. Okay, this is changed, and now I will reduce the size of the second pie. And what I will do, I will click the second dummy in the row cell, and I will just click on the white arrow, or otherwise I can do one thing. I can right click on the second dummy, so both are same here, and I will get the option of dual axis. What is dual axis, what is the function of the dual axis, that I will just going to describe in the next video. But for now you need to select the dual axis. Okay, now the dual donut chart is actually created. Okay, so fine. So if you have any question, if you have any doubt in pie chart or donut chart, please comment me.